Working with hardware programming and need to flash a POF file to a device? These are programmer object files used in Altera FPGA development. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to work with these programmer object files. Be sure to stick around for the end. I'll introduce the single most powerful POF inspection tool that can address this entire problem, along with virtually every other file type you encounter. A POF file is a programmer object file generated by Intel Quartus Prime software. It contains the configuration data needed to program Intel's Field-Programmable Gate Array, FPGA, or CPLD chips. Engineers use this file to transfer their compiled hardware design onto the physical device. The POF is a proprietary binary format designed for direct, efficient programming of non-volatile memory on Intel's programmable logic devices. Its structure is optimized for the hardware programmer, containing a bitstream and configuration instructions that the device's circuitry can interpret directly. Optimal handling of the POF format is achieved using Intel Quartus Prime by Intel Corporation. This file contains executable code that Windows often blocks or quarantines by default. Windows shows only what the script contains, while the runtime determines how it behaves. Let's make this simple. Right-click the POF file and hit Open With. If Intel Quartus Prime is on your machine, test it immediately. If not, choose another program. It's a matter of finding the right decoder. If the POF file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Since this POF format is so specific, basic errors are common. Don't worry, we just need to verify a few key details before moving on. Let's go to our checklist. First, programming with Quartus. Launch Intel Quartus Prime and open the Programmer tool through Tools, then Programmer. Add the POF file using Add File and select the target FPGA device. Configure the programming hardware like USB Blaster, click. Start to flash the device with the configuration data from the POF file, applying it to your hardware. Next, programming with Standalone Tool. Use Quartus Programmer Standalone, the lightweight programming utility installable without the full Quartus suite. The Standalone tool reads POF files and programs. Altera devices through compatible programming hardware. This is useful for production environments where engineers need programming capability without the complete development environment. Finally, generating from Compilation. To create a POF file, compile your FPGA design in Quartus Prime, which generates the POF as part of the output. Configure the assembler settings to produce POF for your target device through Assignments, then Settings, then Assembler. The generated POF can then be archived, used in production programming, or shared with hardware deployment teams. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.